I just got the ANTREE pasta and ravioli maker because I can't wait to make ravioli for my family. And I love that this does more than just make ravioli. It also will make spaghetti. So if you want one pasta cutter that will do it all, this might be the one. Let's open it up and put it to the test. When you open it up, you have your instructions. And I love that it comes with this cleaning brush. This is how you'll take care of it because you don't want it to get wet. So you'll want to clean it after it dries out by brushing out any of that dry pasta. You have this little tip. You have the main brush part here. And you even have this hard tip here, which is great for trying to get into those harder little crevices. It comes with a scoop for helping you portion your ravioli fillings. And then here's the main piece. That is so cool. It'll connect right here to the KitchenAid, and that will spin the main pasta maker, which you can control here, the levels from 1 all the way to level 8. And then right here is your spaghetti cutter. And these you can clean easily by pushing up and getting in here. And then you can really just clean away in there. And the ravioli is actually pretty accessible too. This top, which is kind of the feeder, comes right off, and then you can get right in there and clean it. And for the ravioli, you actually have a hand crank, so you completely control your cutting, and that is how it cuts. Take off the cover, slide it on, and make sure it's on tight. I'm gonna start at a level 1. It goes through so easily, and just like that, I have a bunch of dough. Obviously, I would make more, but right now we're just doing this for example. I'm gonna cut off a piece to make spaghetti with. We'll make some short spaghetti. And then I'm gonna keep this long piece and make some ravioli with it. So let's turn it on and do the spaghetti real quick. Perfect spaghetti. Good to go. That's fantastic. So if you just want to make some spaghetti any night, you can make spaghetti almost instantly. Now for the ravioli maker, these are rollers. So I'm going to fold my pasta in half and put it right over the top here and then slide it over those rollers. And then I put this over the top, and this is what holds it in place and also is so I can slide the meat into it. As you can see, it wants to roll really fast, so I'm gonna hold that up. Now it is all in place and good to go. Now this does take a little work to perfect your technique, but it's a simple concept. Because I'm doing this as a test, I am actually gonna fill it with the spaghetti I just made. So I can scoop 1 to 2 scoops of filling. In this situation, I'm putting spaghetti into my ravioli into each corner. So if this was meat, or cheese, or a mixture of meat or cheese, or a vegan option, this is how you'd put it in each side. Have it ready to go. Then you want it to catch. And as soon as it catches, it'll start pulling it down. There we go. We got a little more of my fake ravioli filling. To put this to the test, keep spinning. You can see right here, it's already coming out. This is my first time ever doing this, so obviously I'll get better at it, but this is the fastest ravioli I've ever made. And there we go. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pieces of ravioli. Now at this point, I need to let it dry for about 10 minutes. We're just gonna cut it. And there you have it, ravioli. Obviously, this is not the most amazing ravioli, since we know it's just filled with more pasta, but that is the coolest thing ever. So this thing definitely works. I can't wait to make ravioli for my family, and I'm really looking forward to doing this with my kids. And when I don't feel like making ravioli and I just want some simple spaghetti, it gives me that option as well. The full package, the ANTREE ravioli and pasta maker.